A lot of times when we search for a YouTube video, we usually go and type what we want to see and check the thumbnails, and most of the time our decisions are influenced by the thumbnail that we are seeing. So if you look at these thumbnails, which one would you choose? Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is LindyShirries. In this channel, we make money online, and if you're joining us for the first time, welcome to the family, and it doesn't matter where you're from, who you are, you too can make money online. So I was editing this video and I decided, let me just show you how I create the thumbnails. So let's just go to Canva. That's the first thing that you need to do. And then when you get to Canva, you type YouTube thumbnail. I am going to show you two ways. The first way is creating from a template, and the second way you will be creating from scratch. So you see these templates, guys. I mean, there's over 17,000 of these. So you just select the one that you want. You can just type YouTube thumbnail for money making if you are working with money, and then you select the template, and then when it gets to this part, you just edit already what is existing. So select your photos, select all the things that you would need to edit this thumbnail, because we do not want this lady to be the one who's going to be on our YouTube, unless if you want it to be. So I'm just going to type the content that I want, the text actually that I want. Import price token to Trust Wallet, because that's what I'm going to talk about. So everything else I think I'm going to leave, except change the background color. So if you can't touch the background, move the photo a bit and then select the color that you want. So I'm going to stick with blue because Trust Wallet, it is blue, guys. So from here, you can see already that you can change more colors if you want to change anything. So I'm just going to change this but then I think black looks nice. Let's remove the photo, and then you click uploads on the left hand side, you upload your photo, and then you add the photo. So can you see the background of this photo? It doesn't look nice. So we are going to click edit image, and we are going to remove the background so that the photo blends well with this thumbnail. So can you see already from here, you just created a thumbnail and you just added existing thumbnails which are there. So I'm adding another component, which is the price token and Trust Wallet as well. So I'm just going to add that, and then remember to remove the background. It looks much better without the background. So can you see I'm removing? You see now it will look better now. It's like a phone that I just plugged in. So now the next thing that you do, you will go to share top right. But before going there, let me just show you. You click elements if you want to add something else, like maybe money or anything. You can just type. If you want to add cars, you will just type cars. So that's where you get from the elements, and text, you will add text. So you decide where you want to put these elements. Then you click share top right, and then you download the thumbnail. So already the size is taken care of. The template was there. You just edited a few things to make this template works for you. So I'm going to show you the second method, which is creating a thumbnail from start until the end. So you just type YouTube thumbnail to get the right sizes, and can you see where it says create blank? You click there, and then after clicking there, you start adding your elements. So I normally start with the background. So I select the white area and then select the color that I want. So you can select any other color. I'll stick to the blues. And then now I have this, guys. And then the next thing, I'm going to upload pictures that I need. So I'm going to add this one. This is to show me if you do not have maybe like your picture, you can use any picture that you can download. So I'm going to add Trust Wallet and price token, and then I'll be able to remove the background, because you know me, the background doesn't blend well with this. So let's add Trust Wallet also. Then you can see that we are continuing with this. So guys, don't forget to remove the backgrounds, because really it does look nicer without the background. So add text, you just click add text, and then you type what you want. So I have learned that putting just few words in the thumbnail, it is better. So like import price, instead of saying how to import, it just take unnecessary space, and you are going to add that. So you go to effects, so you click text, you go to effects, and then you change the text and select the one that you want, and then under offset and directions, you can change the thickness as well. You can change that. There's also the background, the color. So I'm just going to change that as well until I am happy with that. So you go to elements and then you type arrows. So I like using arrows and red ones especially. So I'll just type red arrows. So Canva, you just direct it where you want it to go and it will go exactly there. And then the next thing, you add your arrow to show you are importing price token into Trust Wallet. So then remove the background and then you see, guys, the difference that it makes. You go back to element and then you type any element that you want. So I'm just going to type to look for verified. This is just to say this thumbnail, this video, it's sort of like verified by me. I am happy with it. So you can add anything. Now, another thing that I add to put glow, I just type glow and add these glow. So if you see some colors behind, that's what I add. And remember, when you add these glows, you need to put the position backwards, but then I will show you. So let's add other glows so that you can see more on how I add these glows. So I can add a red one as well. I can add money. So if you click this and want to add this money, you can just select it to fill the screen. And then once it fills the screen, then you remove the background and then you can click position to set it to go backwards. Can you see how it looks? And then you can remove, obviously, the background by clicking edit and remove background. So can you see already that this is what you will find, but this is not neat. I like neat things. So I go to share and download. Guys, this is how you create a thumbnail. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell notification, and continue creating those channels, guys. Thank you so much for watching.